Hello students, in previous AB assignment, we revised the addition sum. Now, we revise the subtraction sums. Look at book page number 14. Subtraction. Here, look, 68, 23. 6 tenths, 8 ones, 2 tenths, 3 ones. Ones we subtract from ones and tenths we subtract from tenths. We subtract 8 from 3 to find the answer. Here we put 8 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then we cut 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 lines are left. Here is 6 minus 2. We put 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We cut 2 lines and now count the left lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. That is the answer. So, we subtract ones from ones and tens from tens. Here some more sums are given below. 15 minus 4. Here we put 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we subtract 4 lines from these 5 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 is left. That is the answer. Here 1 same as it is. Next is 28 minus 6. Here we put 8 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we cut 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 lines are left, that is the answer. 2 as it is. 15 minus 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cut 1, 2, 3 lines. 2 is left. 1 minus 1 is 0. 38 minus 28. 8 minus 8 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1, 2, 3. We cut 2 lines and 1 is left. 50 minus 40. 0 we write as it is. 5 minus 4 is 1. 55 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 as it is. 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cut 3 lines. 2 is left. Here we put 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 is left. So 22 is the answer. Next is 79 minus 18. We put 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 line is left. That is the answer. So 7. Here we put 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We cut only 1 line and count the lines that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 61 is the answer. Next is 75 minus 50. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Next is 88 minus 83. Here we put 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we cut 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are left. 8 minus 8 is 0. Next is 60 minus 30. 0 as it is. 6 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We cut 3 lines and 3 is left. 48 minus 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 lines are left, so we write here 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 64 minus 32. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 86 minus 74. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We got 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 lines are left. 8 minus 7 is 1. 99 minus 87. 9 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 2 lines are left. That is the answer. 9 minus 8 is 1. Next, some more subtraction sums are given. Look, 29 minus 6. We write it 29 minus 6. So we put 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and cut 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 is left. Here 2 we write as it is. So answer is 23. Next is 67 minus 5. 67 minus 5. We put here 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 lines are left. That is the answer. 6 we write as it is. 62. So you solve all these sums by yourself on your rough notebook like this way. Now look at page number 15 of maths book. Here some statement subtraction sums are given. So we solve. First is Abdul is 6 years old. His father is 37 years old. Abdul is 6 years old. His father is 37 years old. How much older is his father? So we found how much older the father of Abdul from Abdul. So we subtract the age of his father from the age of Abdul. That is 37 minus 6. Here we put 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We cut 1 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Only 1 line is left. That is the answer. Next 3 we write as it is. So 31. 31 year older Abdul's father from Abdul. Second is Bani made 30 paper boards. 10 boards sank. How many were left? Total number of boards 30. 10 are sank. So we subtract 10 from 30 to find the number of boards that are left. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 20 boards are left. Third sum. Hari's coloring book has 64 pages. He has colored the drawings on 32 pages. How many pages are left? 64 are the total number of pages. 32 already drawing and colored. So left are 64 minus 32. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 32 pages are left. Next is there are 39 children in a class. 35 of them are going for a picnic. How many children are not going? 39 are total number of children. 35 are going for a picnic. So left children are 39 minus 35. So 9 minus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9. We cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 are left. 3 minus 3 is 0. Only 4 students are not going for a picnic. Next is Jaya has 57 stickers. Maya has 22 stickers. How many more stickers does Jaya have? Total number of stickers Jaya has 57. Maya has 22. So we find the number of stickers Jaya have more. So we subtract 57 from 22. Here we put 7 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we cut 2 lines, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, 5 is left. 5 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we cut 2 lines, 1, 2, 3 are left. So 35 is the stickers, more stickers that Maya has. Next is Mrs. Roy needs 78 paper cups. She already has 43. How many more does she need to buy? 78. Roy needs 78 cups. He has 43. How many cups they need? 78 minus 43. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Minus 3 is we cut 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is left. Next is 7, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We cut 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 is left. So 35. The last sum is Tom's grandma is 59 years old. His aunt is 28-year-old. How much older is his grandma than his aunt? So, Tom's grandma is 59 and his aunt is 28. So, we subtract the number of years of Tom's grandma from Tom's aunt to find the his grandmother older than his aunt. So 9 minus 8 is 1, 5 minus 2 is 3, 31 years. Thank you.